How to download Apex Legends Mobile in 2025. Is it still possible? If you've been looking to download Apex Legends Mobile in 2025, here's the reality check you need, because the official version was permanently shut down in May 2023. What happened to Apex Legends Mobile? Apex Legends Mobile launched globally in May 2022, aiming to bring the full experience to Android and iOS. However, just 11 months later, on May 1st, 2023, EA and Respawn officially shut it down, removing it from app stores and disabling all in-app purchases, with no refunds offered. Why you can't download it in 2025. The game is fully decommissioned and unplayable. The servers are offline and all downloads removed. EA confirmed the decision was due to the mobile version failing to meet quality expectations and content cadence. Multiple sources and community posts verify the shutdown timeline and lack of refunds. What you can do in 2025. Option 1. Switch to PC or console versions. Apex Legends continues to be actively supported on PC, PlayStation, and Xbox. These versions are fully up-to-date and offer crossplay. Option 2. Try similar mobile games. Reddit users recommend PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty Mobile, or Farlight 84 as quality alternatives. Summary? No. You can't install it anymore. Question is Apex Legends Mobile still available in 2025? No, it was permanently shut down on May 1st, 2023. Can you sideload an APK or find a mirror site? No, any download links you find are unsafe or unsupported. Are refunds available for in-app purchases? No. EA stated refunds aren't provided per their user agreement. Site turn search? So if you're searching for how to download Apex Legends Mobile, the simple truth is, you can't. The game is gone, but you can still enjoy Apex and similar battle royales using other platforms. If you found this useful, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming updates, and let me know in the comments which mobile battle royale you're playing now.